Welcome to Spartan Parts Machine Shop. I am James Golden. I will be going over the CNC mill area. Colton Gierman will be joining us later to go over the CNC lathe area. We just want to show you the capabilities of which Spartan Part has to offer. In front of the VF5 XT, it is attached with a pallet changer and capable of 3 and 4 axis machining so that it can run any production run and also run 4th axis parts at the exact same time. I'm in front of the VF9. It has 84 inches of travel in the X direction, 40 inches of travel in the Y direction, and 30 inches of travel in the Z direction. It is also capable of 5th axis machining. Right now it is currently set up with a 5th axis trunnion and it is capable of running any larger parts that come through our doors.
Hi, I'm Colton Gierman. I'm one of the CNC programmers here. Right now we're standing by the Haas ST30. This is one of our mill turn machines. This one is actually right now running a Spartan Parts job. This is kind of the next level compared to a normal lathe that we have. It has dual spindle capabilities, so we can hold on to a part, come up and grab it with the sub spindle, pull it back, finish the second op, and complete parts in one operation instead of having to pull it out by hand and add those extra processes. These are some of the parts we've ran and we can run on this machine. This is the actual part we're running in the machine right now. This is complete, one op off the machine. No one has to touch it, no one has to do anything. It is ready to be shipped out as soon as it's out. So that's kind of the capabilities we have on our mill turn machine. So this is our Doosan SY. We have 2 of them, they're exactly identical. This is a machine is a step above our Haas. It can hold tighter tolerances, it can achieve better finishes. It has more clearances for tools and parts. We can run bigger parts, longer parts, and the machines just run a little bit smoother. This machine would be your Mustang or your Camaro compared to your Impala. So just a little bit better machine, just a step above the one we just talked about. So these are some of the parts we can run and have run in our Doosan SYs. These are intricate parts. Some of them take 12 tools. That's how many tools we can hold in the machine. This is one we ran for a capper head to screw on an orange juice bottle. So stuff like that are things we can do. These are things we do every day for any type of material, steel, stainless, plastic. We really have a broad spectrum that we can cover with these machines. This is our LNS bar feeder. This is a great way we drive down our cost for our parts, whereas before we had to have someone standing at the machine pulling every part out and hitting the start button. We can program this to run automatically. We can put as many bars of stock in it as we need, set the quantity we need, and hit the go button, and we can use just machine time, which is a lot less expensive than having user time and machine time. So that's a great way to drive down the cost of our parts. So this is our Doosan MX. This is the highest quality machine we have. It has the highest capability. It's a true 5-axis machine with the dual spindle heads. It has an upper and a lower turret. So we can hold 41 tools in our upper turret and 12 tools in our lower turret. It really is a step above everything else we have. The tolerances that we can hold, the sizes of parts, really just everything we've looked at up until now doesn't compare to the machine that this one is. It can do so much, and it really is about the top of the line you can get before you start spending millions of dollars per machine. So these are some of the parts we can run here. This one we just ran the other day. That's something that has super high finishes, super tight tolerances, offset. We can do that part in one op. It takes about 20 minutes, where before it was closer to an hour to run something like that. These are parts that we can do. This is the capabilities that the MX has. And this is actually the part that we're running in it right now, which is a Spartan Part job. So the capabilities of this machine are really proven when you start looking at the parts we can do on it. Well, that's about it for the machine shop. That's kind of what we can do, what our capabilities are. Thank you guys for watching the video and checking us out. We hope you use Spartan Parts going forward.